and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this kids closet organizer. I started off with 4 mini crates that I purchased at the Dollar Tree for $1 each, and I just simply put them side by side together and tied them with zip ties. I used 2 zip ties per side, making sure that the crates were snug together and they wouldn't come apart. And the reason why I'm doing this is I actually want these crates to serve as a shelf hanging from the rod in the closet. I'm going to repeat this process all the way until I connect all 4 crates together. Now when I put the zip ties on the crates, I want to make sure that I do pull as far as I can and make them tight, because I do not want the crates being loose, and when I use them as a shelf, I don't want the stuff, the clothes or whatever it is, to move all over the place. So when I'm done with putting all the crates together with zip ties, this here is what it would look like. This next step, I am now ready to cut the excess part of the zip ties. I'm using my kitchen scissors, and I find it really easy to cut the zip ties with these scissors. Once I cut all my zip ties, then I'm ready to continue. I am using 2 pieces of ribbon, and each strip is about 1.5 feet to 2 feet long. And all I'm doing is using those 2 pieces of ribbon and placing them in the 2 center sides of the crates. Of course, it is on the top because this is where I will be using to hang or to tie to the closet rack. And this is what it roughly looks like. And all I'm doing here is just tying the ribbon to the clothing rack pole in the closet. I simply just made a bow on each side, and I made sure that they were even and level. And once that's complete, I'm ready to use the crates as extra shelving space. I use the shelving space for my daughter's pants. And this was an easy way for me to organize the pants since I was running out of drawer space. And this here is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.